All right, so now you have your shots of espresso prepared in your portafilter, ready for brewing, and you have your milk steamed up and hot and foamed up. So next step is just to make the drink. I'm going to take the cappuccino cup, place it so that both spouts are kind of in the middle of the cup, so that both shots are going to pour into there, and pull the 2 shots into your cup. So now you have your double shot of espresso in the bottom of your cappuccino cup. Now you can swirl around your milk once again just to get it all an even consistency. Go ahead and pour your drink. And that is what a double cappuccino looks like.